Section 9, number 4, the vertical of triangle JKL are the following. You're going to translate it using the given vector here. All right, so let's graph the original first because we're going to use it for both of them. So D is at the point -4, 4. So that is negative 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where D is. Then we have K, which is -2, 1. Then we have L, which is 2, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is the original point of line JKL. Okay, I'm just connecting them as best as I can. And this is L. Oh, so this should be JKL. JKL. Right? So I'm going to grab this image because both of them use the same point. Right? So we need to be able to read what this means. Okay? This is a vector. Okay? The vector is in this format. The first value is applied to the X. Then this is applied to the Y. The +2 here indicates that you are going to go right 2 units. And then the 5 here is going to indicate that you're going to go up 5 units. Okay? So every single point here is going to go up 5, then right 2. So here, let's do up 5 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then across 2. 1, 2. This is that new point of, I'm going to make the new one green. This is the new point of J prime. Okay, same thing for that K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Across 2. 1, 2. This is the new point of K prime. And then we have L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then across 2. 1, 2. And this is the value of L prime. Now we can connect it. Okay. All right. So that is your new point. Okay. The translation vector 2, 5 indicates that the triangle here went 2 units to the right, then 5 units up. Okay. Right here, let's take a look. That 2, -2. So originally it's supposed to go to the right, but now it's a negative. So it says 2 units left because of that negative. Then that 6 still indicates that it is 6 unit up because it's still positive. All right. So we have the J here, which is going to be 2 units left. 1, 2. Then it says 6 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is that new value of J prime. Let's do K. 2 units left. 1, 2. 6 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the value of K prime. Then we have L. 1, 2. And 5 units up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up, and this is the value of L prime, and there you go. Okay, this is that new point. All right, so the original triangle undergoes a translation vector of -2, 6 indicates that it's going 2 units left and 6 units up. There you go.